This is how to sponsor someone on Cash App. First thing you want to go ahead and do is go and head over to the App Store, look up Cash App, and update and install the Cash App. Once you've done that, let's go ahead and open up the app. Once you have the app opened and you've already signed in and linked your accounts, your bank account, and you have some money in of it, we're going to go immediately to the top right to a profile. From here, we're going to scroll down until we see the option that says family. Press that. And after you're done reading this, which tells you more about sponsored accounts and what they offer or what they can do for you, you can go in the bottom left here. This is learn more, and learn more about more in-depth controls that you can have. Once you read everything that you like, we're going to go in bottom right to this says invite 18, which is any age 13 through 17. We're going to go right here where it says copy. We're going to press that. And now that we've copied it to our clipboard, we can go to messages and send it to anybody that we'd like. So we're going to act like we're going to send this to somebody in the Notes app. Just for example, we're going to press paste. And this is what it'll look like. And once that other person on the receiving end receives this, they'll click the link. You would have successfully sponsored another account.